Now that we have understood about the removal process and everything, and term and office conditions, every other detail we have done already. So now we will understand about that when a vacancy exists in the office of president, what happens? If a vacancy exists in the office of vice president, then what happens? And both are interrelated also, because vice president also performs the function of acting as president or discharging the functions of president in certain cases. So it will include actually both the topics together. For this to understand, we will have to refer. तो अगर हमें वैकेंसी इन ऑफिस ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट समझना है पहले, फर्स्टली विल डू फॉर प्रेसिडेंट. So the article that we have to deal is Article 62. So let's first read Article 62. ये कहता है time of holding election, कि when will the election happen to fill the vacancy in the office of president. ठीक है. And then what will be the term of office of person elected to fill the casual vacancy. अब यहाँ पर क्या बात है, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, हमने जब यूएस वाइस प्रेसिडेंट और इंडियन वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के पोस्ट को कंपेयर किया था, तो वन डिफरेंस दैट वी नोटिस, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द सिमिलैरिटीज, द डिफरेंस दैट वी नोटिस वाज कि यहाँ पे द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट विल कंटिन्यू स्टार्ट अज्यूमिंग द ऑफिस ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट एंड विल कंटिन्यू फॉर द रिमेनिंग टर्म. And when the remaining term will be finished, only then the new election will happen. This is what we did in the case of vice president. But in the case of Indian vice president, what happens? The person only acts as president, and therefore whatever would be the remaining term, how it is going to be filled, वो हम यहाँ से समझेंगे. So the first clause of Article 62 says an election to fill a vacancy caused by the expiration of term of office of president shall be completed before the expiry of the term. This we have seen in the case of election also, that because 5-year term is there, so before the completion of the 5-year term, a next election to fill that vacancy should already happen. If that is happening, good enough, the new person will be chosen as president, things will be sorted out. The new person will continue of the office after expiration of the previous term. ठीक है, सिंपल है. बट अब क्या होता है कि अच्छा, इफ़ यू नोटिस द सेम थिंग विल ऑल्सो हैपन फॉर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, विल सी व्हेन वी डू दैट. अब क्या है, अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं कि इफ़ देयर इज़ वैकेंसी इन द ऑफिस ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट, तो लेट्स कीप राइटिंग ऑल्सो द पॉइंटर सो दैट यू हैव अ नोट रेडी. So the first thing that we have just read is that election to fill vacancy before term expiry, which is 5 years. ठीक है, ये तो सिंपल है. सेकेंड में हमने क्या कहा, हमने कुछ केसेस की बात की जहाँ पे वैकेंसी, एक वैकेंसी हो सकती है प्रेसिडेंट के ऑफिस में जो कि टर्म एक्सपायरी को लेके होगी, दैट द 5 years इज कंप्लीटेड एंड देन द प्रेसिडेंट्स ऑफिस विल बी वेकेटेड, सो यू नीड टू होल्ड एन इलेक्शन बिफोर दैट एक्सपायरी ऑफ द टर्म. सिंपल. Another case of vacancies in the president's office can happen by multiple reasons. If you notice here, multiple reasons are there. What are the reasons? Death, resignation, removal, or otherwise. If the vacancy is happening due to these reasons, then also an election is needed to appoint a new president. Then that election shall be held as soon as possible, after and in no case later than 6 months from the date of occurrence of vacancy. So the maximum period for vacancy in such cases is given only 6 months. So firstly, it should happen as soon as possible. Like let's say the vacancy has happened, because these are sudden things, right? These are not planned. 5-year term is planned. It is known in advance that okay, this is the cutoff date, a fixed date is there, so it can be planned in advance about the election of the new tenure. But death happens, resignation, removal, or any other reasons. Other reasons could be, what kind of other reasons? For example, disqualification due to getting declared that the election was void. If you remember, we have seen Supreme Court has the power to do that. So something like that if happens, so that will also be sudden only. So if such kind of sudden thing happens, then as soon as possible the vacancy should be filled by holding another election, and the maximum gap in that would only be 6 months. अब उस बीच में कौन फिर पोस्ट करेगा, होल्ड करेगा, वो हम देखेंगे आगे. बट द पर्सन इलेक्टेड टू फिल द वैकेंसी, बिकॉज द tenure will be some portion only, because some portion has already been done by the previous person. 5-year term में तो the person only covers the whole term, But here the previous person has already covered some part of the term and remaining terms would be there. So in this case what will happen, जो person होंगे to fill the vacancy shall subject to provisions of article 56. अब हम 56 देखेंगे. 56 क्या था? 56 was talking about the term, यही सब कि 5 years का है etc etc. ठीक है. So according to that term you will have a new person and be entitled to hold office for the full term of 5 years from the date on which he enters upon office. The person will not fulfill the remaining terms only. No, the person will get the whole full term in the president's office. So let's write the things out that we did in the second part. हमने सेकेंड पार्ट में क्या देखा? वैकेंसी किस किस रीज़न से अगर होती है, डेथ से, रेजिग्नेशन से, रिमूवल से और अदरवाइज. एंड अदरवाइज में वी हैव सीन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंडीशंस कुड बी देयर. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन ड्यू टू इलेक्शन गेटिंग डिक्लेयर्ड void etc. If such things happen, then election need to happen ASAP, as soon as possible, maximum within 6 months. 6 महीने तक आप फिर भी इसको डिले कर सकते हो, बट विद इन 6 months इट हैज़ टू हैपन. ठीक है, फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ वैकेंसी. एंड द अदर थिंग दैट वी डिड ऑल्सो वॉज दैट द पर्सन, इस केस में जो पर्सन इलेक्ट होंगे टू फिल वैकेंसी विल गेट फुल 5-year term in the office of president. It will not be only the remaining term like it happens in the case of US, that the vice president becomes the president and hold for the remaining term. No, यहाँ पे the full 5-year term will be given to the next person. अब केस क्या है कि till the time this election happens, ठीक है. सी दोनों केसेस हैं. एक तो केस है the first one. So before the term expiry, you will have another election to fill the vacancy. You will get a new person elected and the person will assume charge when the term expiry happens. If for some reason delay in election happens, then you know the previous president will continue. This point we have done, that the previous president continues in office till successor assumes charge, so that there is no vacancy in the office. In this case, please remember, if the removal is happening, if the vacancy is happening due to term expiry, vice president will not take the office. The previous president will only take the office till continue in the office till new successor comes in. But if the vacancy is happening due to these reasons until the new election happen, whenever it happen, as soon as possible or within 6 months, whenever it happens, till that time, so the vice president acts as president till new person is elected. New person means new new president is elected. So please remember here. ठीक है. अब आपको ये समझना है कि यहाँ पर हमने 2 केसेस की बात करी. वैकेंसी इन द ऑफिस ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट में, इफ द टर्म एक्सपायरी थिंग विल हैपन, इलेक्शन हैज़ टू हैपन बिफोर हैंड. इफ देयर इज सम डिले इन द इलेक्शन हैपनिंग, देन द प्रीवियस प्रेसिडेंट विल ओनली कंटिन्यू इन द ऑफिस टिल न्यू सक्सेसर विल कम. एंड दिस वी हैव सीन ऑलरेडी. जब हम टर्म्स ऑफ ऑफिस की डिटेल समझ रहे थे तो हमने ये देखा था कि ये एक क्राइटेरिया है जो कि फुलफिल उनको करना होता है. राइट, दिस वॉज द आर्टिकल वी डिड. आर्टिकल 56 में द प्रेसिडेंट शैल, notwithstanding the expiration of term, continue to hold office until the successor enters upon the office. ठीक है, this is simple. And if the vacancy happens due to all these reasons, election need to happen as soon as possible, maximum within 6 months. Meanwhile, the vice president will only act as president and not become the president for the remaining term. Only act as president till the new person is elected as president. And whosoever person gets elected as president will get a full 5-year term to be there in the office. Okay. Certain factual pointers are also given in the book, so we'll quickly do this. अगर हम डेथ की बात करें, so till this time there have been only 2 people who have died during being in office. Being in office not means physically being in the office of the president, which means while they were serving as the president. So 2 presidents who died. ये प्रीलिम्स में फैक्चुअल पॉइंटर्स की तरह यूज़ किए जा सकते हैं. एक यू हैव टू रिमेंबर डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन. Another person you have to remember is Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, who died while they were the president themselves. ठीक है. अच्छा, ये तो एक केस हो गया. There can also be certain cases which we'll do just now in the vice president case also, that let's say ये तो एक परमानेंट वैकेंसी हो गई ना, डेथ, रेजिग्नेशन, रिमूवल और रिमूवल अदरवाइज रीजंस के लिए परमानेंट वैकेंसी हो गई. सो अ न्यू पर्सन हैज़ टू बी इलेक्टेड, बट देयर कैन बी सम टेम्पररी वैकेंसीज ऑल्सो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सो टेम्पररी वैकेंसी है अगर इन द ऑफिस ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट, इन ऑफिस ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट. टेम्पररी वैकेंसी मीन्स, let's say the president is absent for some reason. Let's say the president is on some foreign tour or is ill. ठीक है, or any other reason could be there, but some temporary vacancy that the person will very soon resume the office. In such cases, what will happen? In such cases also, the vice president at that point of time will take over the office of the president till president resumes. Let's say if the office of vice president is also vacant for whatsoever reasons. If vacant, then the CJI, Chief Justice of India, will take over, will act as president. If that office is also vacant for whatever reason, then the senior most judge in the Supreme Court. And meanwhile, any of such persons, vice president or CJI or any other Supreme Court judge, acts as the president just in the temporary vacancy. They enjoy the privileges, powers, immunity, etc., all which are given to the president. ठीक है, तो ये प्रेसिडेंट, ये वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के फंक्शंस में आ जाता है. इसलिए अभी हम अब जब वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के फंक्शंस को देखेंगे तो वी विल रिलेट टू इट. बट हियर वी हैव कवर्ड द होल डिटेल रिलेटेड टू द वैकेंसी इन द ऑफिस ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट. नाउ विल हैव टू सी द वैकेंसी इन द ऑफिस ऑफ वाइस प्रेसिडेंट. एंड बिफोर डूइंग दिस वी विल फिनिश दिस पार्ट जहाँ हम बात कर रहे थे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट टू एक्ट एज द प्रेसिडेंट. तो यहाँ हमने क्या देखा? द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट टू एक्ट एज प्रेसिडेंट और टू डिस्चार्ज हिज फंक्शंस ड्यूरिंग कैजुअल वैकेंसीज. ठीक है, सो इफ देर इज कैजुअल वैकेंसी देन ऑल्सो द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कैन एक्ट, और इफ देर इज एब्सेंस ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट देन ऑल्सो. So we'll just quickly read it. We have already done this, but just quickly reading it again. In the event of occurrence of any vacancy in the president's office, and what all situations of vacancy, death, resignation, removal or otherwise, then the vice president will act as the president until the date on which new president is elected. ठीक है, and then the person will enter office. ठीक है, ये तो हो गया. When the president is unable to discharge function, which means temporary vacancy. What are the cases of temporary vacancy? Absence, illness or any other cause. Then also the vice president shall discharge his functions until the date on which president resumes office. ठीक है, जब तक वो वापस ऑफिस में आ नहीं जाते, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट विल एक्ट. द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट शैल ड्यूरिंग एंड इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ द पीरियड वाइल ही इज एक्टिंग और डिस्चार्जिंग फंक्शन एज प्रेसिडेंट. तो जितने भी वक्त के लिए वाइस प्रेसिडेंट प्रेसिडेंट की तरह काम कर रहे हैं. नाउ आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट द डिफरेंस इन एक्टिंग एज प्रेसिडेंट और डिस्चार्जिंग फंक्शन. So if there are vacancies due to all these reasons, death, etc., then the president, the vice president is going to discharge all acting as the president. ठीक है, और जब वो temporary absence होंगे तो फिर क्या हो जाएगा? आपका discharging the functions हो जाएगा, कि सिर्फ उस वक्त के लिए वो उनके फंक्शंस को फुलफिल कर रहे हैं. और अगर बिल्कुल वैकेंसी ही है तब फिर क्या करेंगे? एक्ट करेंगे एज प्रेसिडेंट. देयरफॉर दिस बोथ द टर्म्स आर गिवन एवरीवेयर. So meanwhile the vice president will be acting or discharging the function of president. The person will have all the power, immunity of the president, emolument, allowance, privileges, etc., ठीक है, which is determined by parliament by law. So this much we have understood for the vacancy in the office of president and how this entire discharge of the function, etc., will happen. And we have already seen this, that till the time vice president will act as the president, the vice president will not perform, ये वाला हमने कल करा था ना, that during any period when the vice president acts as president or discharge the function of president, under this article the vice president will not perform the duty of chairman of राज्यसभा. और उस केस में कौन काम करेगा? डिप्यूटी चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा. ठीक है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर इंटर रिलेटेड. So we have done this also. Now we will see the vacancy in the office of vice president, because definitely vacancy can also happen in the office of vice president. So what will happen in this case? It is given in article 68. तो फिर वो इलेक्शन आप कब कराओगे? सो इलेक्शन टू फिल दैट वैकेंसी सेम है प्रेसिडेंट के जैसा ही, हैज़ टू हैपन बिफोर द टर्म एक्सपायरी, एंड इफ death or all of these reasons are there, then also the election has to happen subject to the provisions of the previous article, hold office for the full term of 5 years. तो इसमें कोई ऐसे टर्म नहीं दिया हुआ है कि इतने टाइम के अंदर आपको कराना है, बट द पर्सन हु विल गेट टू होल्ड ऑफिस एज न्यू वाइस प्रेसिडेंट विल गेट द फुल 5-year term, which was same for the president also. Okay, so this will also just quickly write because we have done this. यहीं पे सारी चीज़ें दी गई हैं. So let's just write it for the office of vice president. I think I can just mention it here with some different color so that you know the similarity. The first one is about that the election to fill vacancy should happen before term expiry. So this is same for vice president. ठीक है, और ये आपका आर्टिकल 68 में दिया हुआ है. एंड अगर हम ये डेथ और ये सब वाले कंडीशंस की बात करते हैं, देन द पर्सन गेट फुल टर्म. So it is also same for vice president. It is also given in article 68. बस यही 2 clauses उसमें दिए गए हैं. So these 2 clauses we have done. You know the similarity. It has not been mentioned कि 6 महीने या कितने के अंदर होना चाहिए. This has not been talked about अभी, क्योंकि वो जब हम राज्यसभा चेयरमैन वाली चीज़ भी देखेंगे तो आपको रिलेट करके अंडरस्टैंड करने में आसानी होगा. यहाँ पर you have seen about the 2 presidents who died during office, and if you have to remember the first vice president, I'm not talking about the only vice president, just the first vice president who died in office. The name of the vice president was Krishna Kant. Okay, so you see all these informations here about the vacancy in the office of president and vice president. In the next video, we'll continue with the another subtopics of the same headings. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you're enjoying the sessions. Take care. Bye-bye.